Okay. People that have outdoor lights that are exposed to the rain, I always recommend to silicone the top edge to the brick to stop water from getting in to the electrical box in behind and underneath. Everything lasts longer if it stays dry too. So I'm just going to silicone the top half of the circle, and I also wipe this clean first. And we're just going to run a quick little bead in here, and I'm going to have to do some of it from the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to get it in there, and then I'm going to use my finger to make it smooth after. And we just want to keep the rain from getting into the box. Makes things last longer. No short circuits. Okay. And I wonder if I can even get in there now. Hold on a second. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A little heavier in the mortar joint. Okay, there we go. And I'll just smooth that out. Got my silicone. Okay. We'll make it prettier. And also, when you push the silicone in, you're pushing it in to adhere better as well. Like you're pushing it against the surfaces to make it bond more. Okay. And we're all done. Thanks.